Here I've got locked iPhone and our clone, and let me show you how to hard reset this device. So at first you have to tap on power key and volume down keys and hold them for about 3 seconds. And then slide to power off. Once it's off, just tap on power key and volume up key and hold them for about 3 seconds, maybe a bit longer, just until you see the logo of the Apple. Actually, we skipped to the boot mode already, and here you have to open the recovery mode. You can navigate here by using volume up key and then select this option by tapping on volume down key. So let me pick the recovery mode, the first option, and select it. Within a few seconds you will see the standard Android logo, because as I told you it's a clone. And now just tap on volume up key and power key all together, and we are in recovery mode. Here you can select the option by using volume up and volume down keys, and then if you would like to perform some operation, for example factory reset, which we would like to do, just tap on power key. So just select it, go to yes, delete all user data, and tap on power key one more time. As you can see, it's wiping the data, formatting your device, so you have to give this iPhone a while, this iPhone clone a while to wipe all data. As you can see, data wipe complete, so let's select Reboot System now. Just tap on power key to do it. And that's it. As you can see, now you can set up your device from the scratch as a new one, and you don't have to provide it with the lock screen. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.